I need to steam my vegetables. I put 1 cup of water into my pot. I have a steamer that I put in there. I add my carrots. Add the cauliflower. And off I go to steam my vegetables. Place the insert in the Instapot. Put the heat, put the lid on. I go into manual. And then I just use it for 1 minute. And I put the valve to the back. I'm going to do a quick release. Okay, be very careful opening up something that's been steaming. You want to open it away from yourself. So stand to the side, lift the lid, and make sure you don't get burnt. There's the vegetables. Take the vegetables, place them in the blender. Adding my beets. And my beet juice. I've left the water in the veggie water from steaming the vegetables in the pot just in case I need extra liquid to bring these vegetables down. I'm going to turn it on and puree. I want to taste this and see what it's like. It looks delicious. You know what? It is delicious. I'm looking forward to this. I can eat the tomato sauce or the spaghetti sauce without worrying about getting too much cooked tomato in my systems, and this looks like a great alternative. This equals 1.4 liters of puree. And it has that color that one would be looking for. This is my dinner tonight. It is the tomato-less or spaghetti sauce. Time for a taste test. So excited. Now, you might be a skeptic, but you have to try this recipe. I dare you to try it if you're looking for tomato alternatives. This is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, entertaining if nothing else. See you next time. Bye.